That's me, Francesca. And I have been on this crazy tea binge lately, which is funny since I'm like totally a coffeeholic. But what I've been doing is I've been taking my tea and brewing it like I would my espresso. And I am making literal tea lattes that are freaking amazing. And they have just as much caffeine as coffee, depending on the tea you're using. And they are absolutely delicious. So I want to show you how I make my favorite tea latte, and I use a Moka Pot, which I don't know, like my Italian friends, do you remember seeing these things on your grandparents' kitchen? Like, and you were like, I don't know what the hell that is, they just drink coffee out of it. It's a Moka Pot. It's like the old school way to get really rich, like espresso shot type coffee on it. I also have, this is the coolest thing. This came with my Ninja bar, but it is a, I'm like bending down trying to get into the camera view. This is a milk frother. So I can put this whole container in the microwave to heat up my milk, and then it's a manual, like I just kind of pump it. Pump it. And it froths my milk for me. So, because not everyone has an espresso machine at home that they can, you know, steam on their milk. This Moka Pot, this is the bottom part of it, and I put my 5 ounces of water in there, okay? What is next is normally what you put your coffee in. This drops right into the bottom piece. And these are single serve. You can get bigger ones that can do more, but this is your single one. If you're like me, you don't want your husband to know how delicious these are, because then he'll be asking you to make it. So I'm using the Burroughs Brew. This is the Java Mama tea. Burroughs Brew is essentially black tea with coconut, because I'm a coconut fanatic. I kind of want to fill my whole basket here, but that's just, I like it really strong. And you can totally make these in a cold drink too. You just pour it over ice when you're done. Oh, what? Okay, so it looks like, easier. So it's there. You're gonna screw the lid on. The lid looks, I mean, it's got this funky, it's funky. It's funky looking. Put it directly on your burner. I can't wait to move. My new house has a gas burner. Best thing ever. Don't know why electric was even made. So I'm gonna put that on high and let that cook. It's really easy to know when it's done. All of a sudden you just hear like a gurgling sound, and it's done. It's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna stick my milk or whatever it is you use for your milk. You can use regular milk. I like to use almond milk. I put mine in there for a minute and a half. I have my regular milk, and your sweetener, you don't have to use sweetener. I have some, it looks really gross, doesn't it? It's just raw sugar. So I have a scoop of raw sugar in there. And then we can just wait here while everything works. Nice and hot. I feel like it's the chemistry. Okay. So this is the cool little pump thing to froth my milk. Easy. It's almost done. And it's just a few. It's not like I'm, right? I'm not doing that. It's just a nice easy one. I'm just waiting for that gurgle. And I feel like it's gonna happen soon. And I mean, if you don't like foam, then don't froth your milk. Just heat it up. And see, it's now up to here when before it was to there. So it's froth. Waiting on the gurgle. It's coming, I promise. That was your gurgle. Literally, that's what it is. And then usually you get some moisture that comes down and there's your gurgle. So you go ahead and turn it off. I don't know if you can see in there, but it's all in the top now. Okay. So, hot motherfucker. Oh my god. Make sure your handle is like not on top of the heat when you're doing this. So I usually pour a little bit. my mug like this. And then I stir it. You like my skull spoon? I like my skull spoon. Because, you know, I like my sugar melted in there. So then you pour the rest. Yeah, I'm talented, y'all. Can't you tell? So it's concentrated tea, just like an espresso shot is. And this mofo is hot. And you got a good view of that, yeah? Okay, you know, look at my boobs. Okay, but that's all cooking shows are, right? Pour in. My milk. Get my foam. And then give it a nice stir. So, oh look, hi. This is my tea latte, and it looks like coffee. Oh my God, but it tastes so much better. I hope you try it. It's phenomenal, and it's my new favorite morning beverage. Ciao.